In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed Google Sheets in a Google Sites website. We'll cover two reliable methods and when to use each one, so your visitors see exactly what you intend. The first method is a direct insert. Great for internal or restricted sites where your audience is already signed in with your organization. The second method uses an embed code from publish to the web, which is ideal for public sites where you don't want people to sign in. Let's start with the direct insert. On a computer, open your Google site in edit mode. Look to the right-hand panel and click the Insert tab. Scroll until you see Sheets, then select it. A window will open with your Google Drive files. Choose the Google Sheet you want to display and click Insert. The sheet will appear on your page immediately. You can resize it by clicking and dragging the corners so it looks good on the layout you are using. Before you move on, double-check sharing permissions. In Google Drive, make sure the sheet is shared, so your site's intended audience can at least view it. If your site is for a specific team or organization, viewer access usually works best. If visitors get a "you need permission" message, it's almost always a sharing setting that needs adjusting. This method keeps the sheet behind sign-in, which is helpful for internal data. Now, if your site is public and you want anyone to see the sheet without signing in, use Publish to the web. Open the Google Sheet. Go to File, then Share, and choose Publish to the web. In the pop-up, switch to the Embed tab. Decide whether you want to publish the entire document or just a specific sheet. Click Publish and confirm. You'll get an iframe code. Copy that code. Head back to your Google site in edit mode. In the right-hand panel, click the Insert tab again and choose Embed. The option with the angle brackets. Select the Embed Code tab and paste the iframe code into the box. Click Next, then Insert. Your embedded sheet will appear on the page and you can resize it by dragging the edges to fit your design. When everything looks right, click Publish in the top right of Google Sites to push your changes live. Quick tip: publishing to the web makes your data publicly viewable, so only publish content you are comfortable sharing. Both methods typically reflect updates from the source sheet, keeping your site current with minimal maintenance. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.